The man accused in the first-degree murder of his former girlfriend near McGill University finished his testimony this afternoon. François Pelletier is defending himself. Roman Barnier was stabbed to death 4 years ago. And Stéphane Pelletier's testimony and cross-examination was at times very confusing for the judge and the jury.
Well, Maya, as you said, the prosecution wrapped up its cross-examination, and she was only 24 when she was killed in 2021. Roman Barnier, musician, artist. So Pelletier is acting as his own lawyer in this case, and on at least 3 occasions he seemed to admit to killing her. He testified that he considered himself a soldier of God and that he had to kill Barnier to protect her from the apocalypse. His testimony got so confused that at one point the jury sent a note to the judge asking why they had to listen to this because it seemed to make little sense. The cross-examination by the prosecution was considerably more direct. Pelletier was asked about the 3 options he considered when he made the decision to kill Barnier. On the stand, Pelletier admitted his first option was murder by strangulation, but he couldn't figure out how to do it. His second option was to shoot his victim, but Pelletier said he could not afford a firearm. So he went for the third option, which was to stab his victim. Security cameras show the entire sequence where a man can be seen repeatedly stabbing Barnier. Pelletier also alluded to some mental health issues, but so far provided no expert testimony.
Okay, and Stéphane, this sounds unusual. The jury is now being asked to watch an episode of a Netflix series, Black Mirror?
It's very unusual. Pelletier said that the jury had to see a particular episode of the hit series because he says they'll better understand his state of mind, as defined apparently by this episode. They were watching it when I left the courtroom a few minutes ago. There's been a lot of objection by the prosecution and questions from the judge regarding the relevancy of showing this to the jury, but so far the court has provided a lot of leeway for Pelletier, again, because he's representing himself. Maya?
All right, thank you very much, Stéphane. Stéphane Giroux reporting live outside the Montreal courthouse.